Hello friends, how are you? I hope that you are all well in all conditions. Today in this video we are going to talk about complement and the definition of set. Basically, what is a complement? If we have to find a complement of set A, so complement of set A contains all the element except the element of A. Complement of set A, or it is said that A complement contains all the element of universal set except the element which are present in the set A. Just like it's would be 1 sorry 1 2 3 4 5 4. Both the elements are present in both sets. These elements are present in both sets. Then the complement of A will be the element which are not present in this set. So 5 is not present in the set A, so the complement of set A will be 5. And how can we find the complement of A? That is very easy to find the complement of A. So first we have to write the complement of A. Then we have a formula: universal set minus set of A, or we can say that required set, the complement of a required set. So what we have to do now, we have to put the values of sets. Then first we have to write elements of set A. Then I write a set A, universal set, the elements of universal set, and then minus or subtract it from the element of set A. Then I have to write the element of universal set, that is 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now this element of set A, which is 1 2 3 4, now we have to see that which element are common in both set. I see that the element 1 2 3 4 are common in the both set. So the element which are remaining in the universal set is our set of complement. I see that in this set 5 is not present in the both sets. It is present in the universal set only. So the complement of set A is 5. That is too much easy, and it is very simple. Now I take an example of two sets which is in set builder notation. So first we have to convert it in the tabular form, then we have to solve it. Either we find complement or a difference. First we have to work on complement. So we have to convert this set into the set tabular form. So this the given set A defined as that the A is a set of all x such that x is belongs to natural numbers such that x is less than 6. X belongs to natural number and less than 6, so the set will be less than 6, and we now that natural number start from 1, so it will include 1 2 3 4 and 5, because the set contains the element less than 6 of natural number. Now we convert the universal set, so it will become universal set is a set of all x such that x belongs to natural number whereas x is less than 7. Now we convert the universal set into tabular form. Then it can be written as natural number for natural numbers starting from 1 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6. We doesn't include 7 because x is less than 7, so the final element of our set is 7. Is 6. Now we have to find complement of A. Or we can say that A complement. To find a complement, we know that we have to subtract it from universal set. Set of A subtract from universal set. So universal set minus set of A. Now we have to do complement of A. First we have to write universal set. It contains the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then sign of minus, and then we have to write this set of A which contains the element 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we have to check out which elements are common in both set. The elements which are common in the both set are not considered in the complement. So we see that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are common in both group. Then we have to choose the remaining element of the set of universal set. So I mark it like that to simplify it more easily. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 that are not includes in the complement. So our complement will be the remaining element of the universal set, that is only 6. So our A complement will be only 6. That how much it is easy. You can see that it is very much easy if you practice it very more. Then we move toward the difference. What is the difference of a two set? Difference is basically the elements which are not common in the both sets. If we take two sets, the elements which are not common in the both sets is called a difference. Now we take some examples of difference. So don't skip the videos and keep watching these videos. Now we take another example for the difference. What is the difference and how can we find a difference? If we have two sets A and B and we have to find difference, then how can we find difference of two sets? First we have to write the difference or the questions that we have to give, that we have seen. I am going to find A delta B. I am going to find A delta B. So first we have to write A delta B, then set of A first, then the sign of delta, then the second set which is a set of B. Now we have to write the elements of set A in the first bracket, then set B in the second bracket. So I am going to write set A contain the element 2, 4, 6 and 8, and set B contain the element 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, 12. Now what we have to do? We have to see the element which are not common in the both set. The element which are absent in the which are not common in the both sets are our answer. First we have to separate it out. In the set A, 2, 4, 6, 8, and in the set B the elements are 2, 4, 6, 8. Both elements are common, then it is not our answer. Now the elements which are remaining and that are not common in the both sets, it is our answer, that we have C that 10 and 12. So A delta B will be 10, 12. That is our difference of our two sets A delta B. Now we take another example for the delta or the difference. First we have to write it in the tabular form. So what we have to do, we have to convert set of A and B both in the tabular form. So I am converting the set of A. Set of A given the gives the information about the set, which includes or say that A is a set of all x such that x belongs to whole number. We know that whole number starts from 0, and furthermore information which is given is that x is greater than 2, x is greater than 2 and less than 5. So the element between the 2 and 5 is considered in this set. So the element between 2 and 5 will be the portion of this set, will be the element of this set. So between 2 and 5 will be 3 and 4, because 5 x is less than 5 and greater than 2. Greater than 2 is mean 3 and less than 5 means 4. Now we move toward the another set, which is set of B. This say that B is a set of all x such that x belongs to positive prime number. Positive prime numbers means the elements which are only comes in their tables. The elements which are comes only the numbers which are comes only their own tables. That includes 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. So and it is furthermore say that x is greater than equals to 3. Greater than equals to 3. It means x set also include the element 3, and then x is also less than equals to 7. So the last element would be 7, and we know that the prime number includes one more term which is 5. So our set will be 3, 5 and 7. If you don't understand it very well, then you must have to go in my previous videos that I have very much explained it very well. Please subscribe and like my channel for more videos. And now we have to find the delta B. So A delta B will be written as, first we have to write bracket A, then sign of delta, then bracket B. Bracket A contain element 3, 4, then sign of delta, then this bracket elements of bracket B. We have to now choose the element which are not common in the both sets. We see that the 3 is common in the both set, but the other element are not common in the both set, and difference means the element which are not common in the both set. So we can write it as element from first set is 4 and the element from second set is 5 and 7. So our A delta B will be 4, 5 and 7. I hope you understand it very well. If you then please subscribe and like my channel and share it with your other friends to help the other in these lockdown conditions. Thank you very much for watching the video until the end, and please subscribe and like my channels. Thank you.